My name's Josh Meese. I'm with Haywood Vocational Opportunities. I'm the maintenance project manager and I've been here for 23 years. We make disposable medical products mostly for the ophthalmic industry. We also make custom drapes for doctors and nurses, and we will customize their drapes along how they want them during the surgeries and how they use them during their operations. The Pathfinder cuts very, very close tolerance. We're able to take pretty much any CAD drawing, put it into the PathWorks software, implement it into the Pathfinder, and cut that product in a very short time. We had to go with the Pathfinder to make us more efficient. So the Pathfinder, along with the spreading system that we purchased, has made us be able to cut all this in one step. So when the rolls are loaded on the machine, we spread it, it's pulled into the Pathfinder, and the finished product comes out in the end. We also have equipment and other facilities similar to this that I take care of, and the biggest thing that I see is the service behind Pathfinder. And also, it's just robust, very, very few breakdowns. We run it from 5 o'clock in the morning to 1:30 the following morning. We have very, very little downtime on it. It's just a very well-built machine. I would highly recommend it.